I am utilizing the Bid Integrations plugin to establish a connection between these two platforms. Let's go to Bid Integration Dashboard. Create integrations. Now choose Trigger. Fluent Support. Now copy the webhook URL and fetch the data. Now go to the Fluent Support dashboard. Navigate to the workflows. Add new workflow. Give here a meaningful workflow name. Choose workflow type. Continue. Choose workflow trigger. Choose an action trigger outgoing webhook. Now paste the webhook URL and give the action title. Save it. Now publish the workflow. Navigate to the ticket. Create a ticket to fetch the data. Here you can see the data has been fetched successfully. Set action. Search and select action. Campaign monitor. Give here an API key and client ID. So please visit the Campaign Monitor API key. Copy the client ID. And paste it here. For the API key, click on Show API Key. Give here your login password and confirm it. Copy the API key. And paste it here. Authorized it. Authorization is successfully done. Next. Choose a subscriber list. Map the respective fields. Here are some advanced features and actions you can use by checking the box. Also, you can add conditional logic you can use for your own requirement. Next. Finish and save it. Go to Fluent Support and create a ticket. Ticket created successfully. Now go to the Campaign Monitor site, refresh it, and go to the lists. Under the lists, click on Bid Integrations. You can see the data came successfully in the Campaign Monitor site. Thanks for watching.